Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the July little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the July 2026 little bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing little bee box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I am absolutely so excited for this box. For one, it is nice and heavy. It feels really nice and heavy, this box does. But for another, this is going to be the very first time showing you guys, are you ready? A newborn size. Did you hear that? A newborn! Okay, so one of my best friends in California, her daughter, which when she was younger, I used to babysit. I used to change her booty, and now she is grown, she is married, they have a house, and now they have a little one. So now they have extended their family, and I'm so excited for her. He is the cutest little thing. He literally was born July 1st. So he is not even a month old yet, you guys. He's not even a month old yet. So I am super excited to now bring you back to the beginning, and we're gonna see a newborn size, and we'll still have the little girl next month and then rotate between the two. But I'm just so ecstatic that I get to show you guys a newborn size, and I get to actually see newborn clothing. So this one is going to be for him. I'm so excited. Can't you tell? Let's go ahead and dive in and see what is all inside, curated for a 1 month old. I have never in my life said that. Never. We did start my friend's daughter on it when she wasn't walking yet, but she was not that young. She was probably between 6 and 8 months old when we started. And again, I'm so excited for little tiny clothes. When we first open it up, there is your card right on top for July. And it says Sunshine Adventure and Together Time. So the mom can sit down and read that right there. And it wouldn't be the little bee box without bee tissue paper. It is absolutely adorable. Okay, let's go and see what's all in here. Again, I'm just super excited. So the first thing right on top, it's a plush pacifier holder and pacifier. It has a cute little elephant. Does it rattle? No, but it does have the pacifier that is attached to it. That is awesome, because definitely he's going to be using some passies. But that is super cute that it's literally like you can attach it to this. After you open it, you attach it to like the neck of the elephant. How cute. This is for 0 to 18 months. We have his first book. Well, I don't know if he already has a book, but this is going to be his first book from this box. And it is The Great Baseball Game with Bert and Ernie. And it is the thicker like cardboard stock pages. I love when they put books in here because mom can read to him. And then when he gets older, he can actually play with the books and start learning them and reading, you know? So I love, oh, there's not even actually, oh, there is words. I'm like, there's not even words. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. But that is super cute. You have a little book. This is so cute. Okay, so now I'm seeing clothing items. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, it says turn me around, easy squeezy. Look at the back of the shirt. The front says feeling good. And this is 0 to 3 months. Oh my goodness. And that is just super cute. Easy squeezy, holding 2 lemons. And then look, there's, oh, it's a lemon hat. And there's matching shorts. Look, so it has Mickey with the lemons on it with the matching little shorts. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. And then we have over here, oh my gosh, this is 0 to 3 months as well. And look at the little shark above the pocket. it has a little pocket. And then, oh, here's another. Oh my gosh, look at how stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I just love little baby clothes. I do. That is adorable. 0 to 3 months. But it's like, has like a little shark. It's like kind of like in the ocean. So you have like even jellyfish, whales, palm trees. And that is adorable. And then here are the little shorts for that one. So you can wear this with that, or you can wear this with that. So here's one outfit, but can be two. And then you have these shorts with the hat and the t-shirt for the whole second outfit. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Disney baby. Okay, so next up inside we have Baby Dove Sensitive Skincare Lotion Rich Moisture. That's awesome because baby definitely needs to be lathered up and feeling good. So here is the big old thing of lotion. Now we have, we have anti-colic, maybe it says. Clinically proven to reduce colic, spit up, burping, and gas. 2-pack narrow 4-ounce glass, BPA free. #1 recommended, pediatrician recommended baby bottles. Let's see. And these are glass. And then it has that down the middle. I guess that should help them from getting colic or like spitting up or anything like that. So that is definitely interesting. Bottles have came a whole long way since I was a baby, let me tell you. So you have your 2-pack of glass anti-colic bottles. And then the last thing in here is an item for the mom. It could always be anything and everything, but there's a little gift in there for the mom, so it's not all for the baby. This month, the free gift is 6 Velvet Makeup Puffs by Juicy Couture. So you have all of those makeup puffs that you can use, and it is, again, the free gift for mom. So you guys, that is everything for the July box. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that we now get to see a newborn size. I'm so excited. So a quick recap, you have the gift for the mom. You have 2 glass bottles. That's probably why this box was so heavy, between that and this full thing of lotion. You have the pacifier with the pacifier holder. And then you have 2 outfits. Oh, technically you got 3 outfits right here. And then a book. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for this July box. Definitely comment down below and let me know. And what do you think of seeing a newborn now? Oh, I'm just so excited. And then we can watch him grow. Oh, I love it. Love it. Okay, so if you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first subscription box if you are interested. You can do the gold term, which is month per month. You can cancel at any time with any of them. But the gold term would be $51.95 per box. The silver is a 6-month term. That'll bring your box price down to $45.95. Or if you do the platinum, which is the full 12-month term for all 12 boxes, that brings your box price all the way down to $43 per box. So that's a great savings. They also do a one-time gift box. That one is $65 with free US shipping. You tell them the gender and the age, and they will go ahead and customize that box specifically for that child and ship it out either to the recipient or to you if you're going to attend, and you can bring it with you, but it's free US shipping, so you can ship it anywhere. But that one is a one-time, no commitment box you can do at any time if you know someone having a birthday, a baby shower, or just because, whichever. You can definitely do the one-time box or the subscription. I will have them listed in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out if you are interested. But don't forget, SheCrafty will save you that 30% off your first subscription box. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.